I'm a fool for your love.
Welcome back, guys, to another goddamn video. I've just shot my my introduction, or new introduction rather, so you'll see that in this episode. And yeah, basically I wanted to thank all my current subscribers, all 53 of you, because there's going to be quite a few changes coming my way, so I hope you look forward to it. Right, I gotta try and get out of here without Look at that view though, that's fucking amazing. So I hope you enjoyed the pictures. So yeah, again, I wanted to thank all my subscribers, all 53 of you. There was like 54, but someone unsubscribed. Cheers, love. Fuck me. Man, it's rocky as fuck. Turtleneck. Oh my god, it's like fucking wacky races, but yeah. That was tight. So yeah, guys, thank you very much for subscribing. I wanted to do an urgent appeal. So this urgent appeal is basically for 100 wholesome subscribers. You know, if you give me 100 subscribers, no, I'm not taking the next right. Fuck you. If you give me 100 subs, I will reveal myself to the world as a dirty pin girl slut. I will literally model myself naked. No, I'm joking, I won't model myself naked. It'll get flagged up and then I'll be on Pornhub. And I don't want to go on Pornhub, thank you. I'd rather be on YouTube. That's the last thing I would need. Plus I'm a married man. Keep your eyes to yourself, you dirty cats. Nah, I'm only kidding. But I will do a face reveal. That is what I will do. Also, if I can afford it, I ain't gonna guarantee it yet, but if I do get 100 subs, I will put like sort of raffle sort of thing, basically fight amongst yourselves for, and I'll give you a free pair of gloves. Now they're not going to be the best quality gloves, but they will probably last you about 2 years, so if you're a new rider, then ideally it'd be good for you to start off with. Oh, she is loud, girl. So to give you a bit of background on this video, basically I'm just going to be a courier today, so I thought what better time to record than when I'm on the road constantly, you know. It is a nice day, but it's windy as fuck. I hope you like the view though. The view was great. So the sad stick of ribs. How you doing? That's my Respucia impression. Fuck me, flappy, flappy, flappy. My hoodie strap's coming out. I'm coming out. I want the world to know I'm out of control. I'm coming out. I want the world to know. What a beautiful song, you know. Fuck ah. Let's go. Oh, that's gonna be fun. Oh, fucking busy. as usual. Oh, fucking hell, look at that big boy! Why is there so much traffic on the road? It's like 12:30. Do this many people actually go out for lunch or something? Fuck me, sideways. Almost went then. I best tack it in a little bit. The trick is to not grab your handlebars too hard. I'm not sorry guys, but these roads are so long and boring. I'm trying to entertain myself, let alone you guys. Oh, where you going? Come on. Ah, you fucking windy bastard. I can feel it. Oh shit, I forgot we're exit now. Second, isn't it? Why am I asking you guys? I can't fucking hear you. Oh, I think so, boy. Oh. Fuck you, Ryan Diazzi. Do. So I've literally collected a teddy and some baubles. The missus is like Christmas crazy. Fucking fly in my mouth, see. Oh, bless. She was a little kid was like, oh my god, a motorcycle! I am enjoying this ride so far. This ride is good. It's good for the soul, yeah? I knew I took the wrong fucking exit. I really gotta listen. I'm not a very good listener. Don't speak to me. Trust me. Fucking shut it out, cunt! Have you seen this new episode? New series? It's called The Boys. It's been out for a while. They release episodes every Friday. It's about superheroes, but the superheroes that are presumably good are actually bad. So if you're into all your Marvel and DC, you know, villains, heroes, all that malarkey, you'll definitely like this. Welcome back, guys. Just had my interval stop. Right, let's see how we get on. Oh, I don't like that rain cloud. Oh, sprinkling by Monk Street. Mind the humps. It's a fucking camel, boy. Oh no! Fuck. I'm in the wrong fucking area now, aren't I? If you've enjoyed this video, hit that like button, throw a comment down below, and hit the subscribe button, please.